Good morning, students. Now we are going to see Unit 12 Carbonyl Compounds Part 5 Preparation of benzaldehyde. The formula for benzaldehyde is C6H5CHO. So now we are going to see the preparation of benzaldehyde. The first method for preparation of benzaldehyde through the E-dot reaction. See here, the side chain oxidation of toluene derivatives, a strong oxidizing agent such as KMnO4 gives benzoic acid. So now we are going to use chromyl chloride. The formula is chromyl chloride CrO2Cl2. So toluene, the formula for toluene, methylbenzene, or this is known as toluene. So CH3 compound so gives benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as E-dot reaction. Acetic anhydride and CrO3 can also be used for this reaction. So this is toluene and CrO2Cl2 is chromyl chloride along with the CS2 compound. Now what happened here? Only one hydrogen removed from the toluene compound instead of the CrO2Cl2 is added here. See here, one hydrogen is replaced. So CrOCH-Cl2 twice, and again it is undergoing hydrolysis. In this hydrolysis, one hydrogen from here, again here CHO alone will be separated as a benzaldehyde, and CrOHCl2 here hydrolysis takes place, gives benzaldehyde. So this hydrolysis, one hydrogen will be bonded with the Cl, it produces HCl. Remaining group will be removed as a byproduct. So let us see now the mechanism of E-dot reaction. See here, benzaldehyde. So one hydrogen, first step is what? One hydrogen is removed. Instead of this CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride is added. See here, the hydrogen is replaced, by this. So now this intermediate compound is formed. So CH2, Cr double bond OH. At last, finally, this O will be bonded with that compound. So what happened? CH2, so only one. Cl. So here CrCl, the CHO will be bonded. The remaining compound CrOHCl will be separated. One more Cl is also here. This Cl will be along with the hydrolysis here. It will be removed as a minus HCl, CrOHCl as a byproduct. So two byproducts will be formed. HCl, again Cl, CrCl, OH and benzaldehyde. This is known as E-dot reaction. This is also very important naming reaction. E-dot reaction, this is mechanism. Next we are going to see the preparation of benzaldehyde by another one method. This is Caterman-Koch reaction. This is also important naming reaction. So this reaction is variant from Friedel-Crafts acetylation reaction. See here, we have taken here benzene compound and along with that COHCl, and this HCl compound generate an intermediate first, and which reacts like a formyl chloride. So see here, formyl chloride, benzene, CO is bonded. Here one hydrogen will be there, no? So this hydrogen, again HCl first replaces formyl chloride as an intermediate. Then it is removed in presence of AlCl3 and CuCl3. This is side chain chlorination followed by hydrolysis. So once again it is followed by hydrolysis. So now CO here CHO will be formed, benzaldehyde. This is Caterman-Koch reaction. One more method, it is also prepared from the manufacture of benzaldehyde prepared from toluene. Toluene formula we know that. So CH3, this is also side chain chlorination of toluene. Side chain means benzene ring is here along with methyl group is here. So this is known as side chain. In this side chain the replacement is takes place. That is why it is side chain chlorination. See here CH3, one hydrogen replaced. Here Cl2 is here. So one Cl, one hydrogen will be removed as minus HCl. So CH2Cl2. So here CHCl2. This is intermediate, that is benzol chloride. It is undergoing hydrolysis along with the temperature 373 Kelvin. Now here H2O, we can separate H plus OH minus, isn't it? So H plus OH minus. Now CH, here this oxygen, this is hydrolysis. So this hydrogen, this oxygen will be bonded with the CHO, and H2 is here, again Cl2 is here. It is also removed as 2HCl and remaining compound CHO compound. H2O, here CHO, 2H, 2Cl. It is removed as 2HCl and remaining compound added here. So it is benzaldehyde. This is another one method for preparing benzaldehyde. Next we are going to see, this is also can be prepared, that is preparation of ketone compound. First three methods is preparation of benzaldehyde. This method is preparation of ketone. Ketone formula CH3CO CH3. Now it is used for acetyl chloride compound. We have taken two molecules of acetyl chloride. CH3 C double bond O Cl. CH3 C double bond O. Along with that we are taking dimethyl cadmiums. Dimethyl cadmium. So CD cadmium. CH3 CH3, 2 methyl group is there. That is why we are writing dimethyl cadmium. This cadmium group along with the Cl2, it is removed as byproduct CtCl2. So removed as byproduct CdCl2, cadmium chloride. And what about the remaining product? CH3CO is here, again CH3. So CH3CO, one CH3 bonded here, and one more CH3CO. The CH3 is bonded here instead of Cl. So we may get 2 CH3CO CH3. This is preparation of ketone. Next, preparation of phenyl ketones by Friedel-Crafts reaction. Preparation of phenyl ketones through the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So Friedel-Crafts reaction, phenyl ketone, phenyl means what? Should be a benzene ring. Ketone group we already know, it is CH3CO CH3. So, okay, two groups must be come. So that is why we are writing it is a phenyl ketone. Preparation through the Friedel-Crafts reaction in presence of aluminum chloride. CH3COCl, here benzene is there. So here one hydrogen will be there. No, this hydrogen as well as Cl can be replaced as HCl. This CH3CO will be bonded here. See here COCH3. Instead of one hydrogen, the COCH3 is replaced here, and this one hydrogen as well as Cl will be moved as a HCl. As a byproduct, this is known as acetophenone. One more compound, CH3COCl, we can prepare benzophenone compound also because of CH3C double bond O. This is benzyl chloride. So this is acetyl chloride, this is benzyl chloride. In presence of benzene, here also one hydrogen, this hydrogen as well as HCl is removed, and COC6H5 will be replaced here. So now we get benzene ring along with it CO, ketone compound 6H5. So here one phenyl, once again here one phenyl. So this is benzophenone compound. Benzophenone compound. So this is preparation of phenyl ketone compounds. Next we can see next video.